In this video, we'll set up the working environment for our simulation. Before writing anything in FDS, we need a clean folder where we will store all the files related to this case. So, for example, here on the desktop, I will create a new folder and I will give it a simple name, like for example, job 1. Then, inside this folder, I will create a new text file by right-clicking, clicking on New, and selecting Text Document. Now we will just name this job1.fds. By default, Windows sometimes hides file extension, so even if you rename the file job1.fds, it might actually be still a simple text document, as you can see here. To fix this, you will need to find the File Explorer options in your Windows machine, and you have to deselect the option Hide Extension for Known File Types. Then press Apply, and then press OK. And as you can see, the file is job1.fds.txt, which is not what we want. So to fix it, just right click on it, rename, and delete the txt file extension. Then press enter. Windows will ask you if you are sure. Just say yes. At this point the file is empty, and that's fine. If you try to open this file, Windows will ask you how to open it. You, for now, just select Notepad and press OK. And as you can see, the file is completely empty. In the next step, we'll start writing the first line of the model.